Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the topic coordinate geometry. Definition: to locate the position of an object or a point in a plane, we require two perpendicular lines. One of them is horizontal and the other is vertical. In honor of Descartes, the system used for describing the position of a point in a plane is also known as Cartesian system. The plane is called the Cartesian or coordinate plane. The horizontal line is called x-axis and the vertical line is called y-axis. The coordinate axis is divide the plane into four parts called quadrants. Quadrant first, quadrant second, quadrant third, and quadrant fourth. The distance of a point from the y-axis is called its x-coordinate or abscissa, and the distance of a point from the x-axis is called its y-coordinate or ordinate. The point of intersection of the axis is called the origin and is denoted by O, and the coordinates of the origin are 0, 0. The coordinate of the point are of the form: in first quadrant it is positive, positive, in the second quadrant it is negative, positive, in the third quadrant both x and y are negative, and in the fourth quadrant it is positive and negative. Here, x coordinate of point M is 4 and y coordinate of point M is 2. Therefore, coordinate of point M equal to 4, 2. Now, ordered pair. An ordered pair is a composition of x coordinate, that is abscissa, and y coordinate, that is ordinate, having two values written in the fixed order within parentheses. It helps to locate a point on the Cartesian plane for better visual comprehension. The numeric value is an ordered pair, can be integers or fractions. Ordered pair is described xy, where x equal to abscissa, the distance measure of a point from the primary axis x, and y equal to ordinate, the distance measure of a point from the primary axis y. Writing of ordered pair.